Hello everyone, I am Chetna Sarma and this video is on the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to express an action that is expected to be completed before a certain time in the future. This tense talks about the past in the future, as it gives a sense of completion of a task that will happen in the future. ভৱিষ্যকালত হ'ব লগা এটা কাম যেটো এটা নিশ্চিত সময়ৰ ভিতৰত সম্পূৰ্ণ হোৱাটো বুজায় বা সম্পূৰ্ণ হোৱাটো আশা কৰিব পৰা যায় তাত ফিউচাৰ পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সৰ ব্যৱহাৰ হয় কোনো এটা কাম ভৱিষ্যত এটা নিশ্চিত সময়ৰ ভিতৰত সম্পূৰ্ণ হোৱাটোকে ফিউচাৰ পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সত কোৱা হয় ফৰ এক্সাম্পল by the end of next month we will have lived here for 7 years another example You will have studied the English tenses. Now when two actions take place in the future, mostly the first one is future perfect tense and the second is simple present tense. Sometimes you can use the future perfect tense and simple present tense interchangeably. In these two sentences, there is no real difference in meaning because the time expression makes the sequence of events clear. The time expressions used with future perfect tense are by the time, before, until, by then, by the end of, or by tomorrow. অসমীয়াত বুজাব গ'লে ভৱিষ্যতে হ'বলগীয়া দুটা কামৰ ভিতৰত যিটো প্ৰায় আগতে শেষ হোৱাটো বুজায় সেইটো ফিউচাৰ পাৰফেক্ট টেন্সত লিখা হয় আৰু আনটো সিম্পল প্ৰেজেণ্ট টেন্সত লিখা হয় ফৰ এক্সাম্পল she will have left before you go to see her another example by this time tomorrow I will have finished the job it is important to note that the future perfect tense must have a deadline the deadline can be very specific as 8 o'clock or it can be vague like next week. It just has to be sometime in the future. For example, by 5 o'clock I'll have finished my work. Another example, she will have cooked dinner by the time we arrive. So to summarize, future perfect tense is used to express the completion of an action by a certain future time. Now we will know about the formula or the format of a future perfect tense sentence. In English, the future perfect construction consists of the auxiliary verb will or shall to mark the future, the auxiliary verb have to mark the perfect, and the past participle of the main verb. For the general formula for a sentence in future perfect tense is subject plus will or have, subject plus will or shall plus have plus past participle. For example, I will have finished my report by the end of this month. For a negative sentence, the formula is subject plus will plus not plus have plus past participle. For example, he will not have done it by this evening. And for an interrogative sentence, the format is will plus subject plus have plus past participle. For example, will you have written me a letter? Question mark. So children, this was a brief introduction about the use and structure of future perfect tense. I hope you all have learned it, understood it really well. If there is any doubt, please let me know. Thank you.